Welcome to LushLoom. Today, we're transforming this office space into a modern, professional, and inspiring work environment with our premium carpet tiles and wallpaper installation that in this video, will walk you through the complete process, from surface preparation and precise measurements to professional installation and the final elegant reveal, so you can see how our team delivers a flawless office finish. Step 1. Preparing the office space. Every successful office renovation starts with proper preparation. We begin by clearing the workspace and removing any existing flooring or wall coverings if required. The floor surface is thoroughly cleaned and inspected to ensure it is level and smooth. For the walls, we check for cracks, dents, or uneven areas. Any imperfections are repaired and smoothed to create the perfect base for wallpaper installation. Carpet tiles installation. Now we begin the carpet tile installation process. Starting from a carefully marked reference point, we install each tile with precision, ensuring straight lines and consistent spacing. Special attention is given to corners, edges, and high-traffic areas. Carpet tiles are securely fixed using professional techniques to prevent movement or lifting over time. The result is a durable, noise-reducing, and visually modern flooring solution, perfect for office environments. Wallpaper installation. With the flooring complete, we move on to the wallpaper installation. Each wallpaper panel is applied carefully, ensuring proper alignment and seamless pattern matching. We smooth out air bubbles and secure the edges for a flawless finish. Extra care is taken around corners, sockets, and ceiling lines to maintain a clean and polished look. The wallpaper instantly enhances the office atmosphere, adding texture, depth, and a sophisticated corporate feel. Step 5. Finishing and final inspection. After installation, we complete the final detailing. Edges are trimmed neatly, surfaces are cleaned, and every area is inspected for alignment and perfection. We ensure the flooring and walls complement each other beautifully. Our team carefully checks every detail to guarantee a uniform, professional, and high-quality finish. The transformation is complete. The office now features durable, stylish carpet tiles combined with elegant wallpaper, creating a space that feels productive, welcoming, and refined. Outro. At LushLoom, we combine premium materials with expert craftsmanship to deliver office interiors that are modern, durable, and built to impress. If you're planning to upgrade your office with professional carpet tiles and wallpaper installation, contact LushLoom today and experience quality you can trust.